In this video, I'll show you how to connect GoDaddy email to Outlook and walk you through the entire process so you can have your GoDaddy emails fully integrated into Outlook for sending, receiving, and managing all your messages in one place. To start, open the Outlook software on your computer. Once Outlook is running, go to the top left corner and click on File. From the File menu, select Add Account to begin adding your GoDaddy email to Outlook. This is the first step in linking your email account to the Outlook application. In the Add Account window, choose Email Account as the type of account you want to add. Here, you'll need to enter your name exactly as you want it to appear on outgoing emails. After that, type in your full GoDaddy email address and then enter the password associated with that email account. Make sure you retype the password correctly in the confirmation field to avoid any errors during the setup process. Once all the details are entered, click Next to continue. Outlook will now try to automatically configure your email server settings for you. During this step, you may see a prompt asking for permission to allow the application to configure the email settings. Click Allow to proceed. You may also see another message asking if you want to continue. Simply click Yes to confirm and let Outlook complete the connection process. After a few moments, Outlook will confirm that it has successfully connected to your GoDaddy email account. Once the connection is complete, click Finish to close the setup window. At this point, your GoDaddy emails will begin to appear in your Outlook inbox. You can now send and receive emails, manage folders, and organize your account entirely from within Outlook, making it easier to handle all your email communication in one place. By following these steps carefully, you can quickly and efficiently connect your GoDaddy email to Outlook